Hello and welcome. You must have stumbled upon this page or you must have been hearing about rapid revenue blueprint and wondering what it is. So here this is a short video to tell you how it is going to transform your entrepreneur journey, okay? So, do you know what is the hard truth about entrepreneurship? It is delayed profitability. Most digital businesses don't see real profit until their third year. High withdrawal rate. Over 60% of solopreneurs quit their dreams before launching their first product. Business failure. Nearly half of new businesses fail within 24 months. I have watched talented people waste 6 months creating a single lead magnet or spend 3 years developing a course with no guarantee anyone would buy it. The traditional entrepreneurial path is filled with uncertainty, wasted time, and financial risk. We are having a different approach. I refuse to accept this reality for myself or my clients. That's why I developed a system that turns these statistics upside down. It's started with my business in a box toolkit, a comprehensive system including 16 ready to customize e courses which you can use for your education or rebrand and sell it or just resell it as it is with complete marketing materials and 1 month hands on implementation support. Who provides implementation support? We do. Most of the digital products they just carry digital dust. So this allowed new entrepreneurs earn really really fast money and start generating revenue within months, not years. So the evolution of success. My clients were thrilled with their fast starts. But I noticed something interesting. They continued purchasing my $600 1 hour support sessions because those were actually need only basis. So if they needed, they can always buy my 1 hour $600 support and typically investing around $10,000 in their first year because sometimes they had two sessions per month and it just kept on adding and they were making money but they needed ongoing guidance to scale efficiently and effectively. So this insight led me to creation of Rapid Revenue Blueprint, a transformative program that combines everything entrepreneurs need to not just to start but scale their business successfully. So what is a Rapid Revenue Blueprint? So for less than one third of what my clients were spending on individual support, Rapid Revenue Blueprint delivers personalized coaching, weekly personalized one on one lesser coaching tailored to your specific business. People get lost in group calls, and that is why they just wanted one on one coaching with me. Group workshops, yeah, they are also there because they have their own pros. So, monthly group workshops for advanced strategies and community support. Peer to peer interaction is also needed, right? Growth framework, a proven framework for consistent growth and sustainable scaling. And a complete toolkit, access to the complete business inbox toolkit and resources. This is a total game changer. So now what is the rapid difference? The traditional path, it tells months or years before launch. Uncertain revenue timeline, isolated decision making, high financial risk, and slow iteration and growth. Now, what is rapid blueprint path? Launch in weeks, not months, generate revenue quickly, expert guidance at every step, lower financial investment, and really fast scaling process. It's going to accelerate. So imagine your success. Imagine launching your business in weeks instead of months, generating revenue before most entrepreneurs even finish their business plan, and having expert guidance every step of your journey. Are you ready to defy the statistics? Ready to defy the statistics and build a thriving business on your timeline? Click to book an appointment to speak with me and learn about our exclusive fast action bonuses. And the successful business, your successful business is waiting for you. Let's build it together. You don't need to be alone. There is a support available at a really affordable price without the premium price tag, one on one support with group coaching, and every step of the way you will get the tips what to do next. You do your homework, again you will have one-on-one coaching every week. It's a really game changer. I'm just looking forward you to join this journey for your better future. Thank you and God bless you.